Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Messenger video call sound problem. If you are facing the problem of the video call sound of Messenger in which you cannot hear the sound of the video call you are receiving, then you'll need to follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, make sure you are subscribed to our channel and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming uploads. There are a few things that you can do to fix this problem. The first thing you can do is head over to the Play Store and check if your Messenger is updated or not. If you see a button called update, then you should update your Messenger and check if this solves your problem. If it still doesn't solve your problem, then you'll need to head over to the settings option on your device. Then you'll need to go to the apps setting and then head over to manage apps. Now in the search bar, type in Messenger. Now what you'll need to do is clear the data and clear the cache of Messenger. After you clear the data, make sure that you remember the password and email address to your Messenger, because after you clear the data of your email and password will be removed from your device. After you do all these steps, the last thing you can do is go to Messenger. Then in the profile, if you scroll down, you can see an option called report technical problem. Now from here you can report any of the problems that you are facing directly to the Messenger. And after you do that, your problem of video call sound will surely be solved. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.